Hello?
Jamaal, please be nice to Zariah and spend some time with her. You're always working. I know your parents were rough on you, but you can make an effort to change that with your daughter.
Zariah? This girl's always using up my data. Zariah, where are you? Oh my God, Zariah! You know I'm scared of clowns. Go upstairs now.
Daddy, is that Joker?
No.
What is it?
It's Beetlejuice and Daddy's girlfriend, Winona. Hey, what are you doing? You see me watching that. You know what? Go to bed. Thank you. Goblin Queen, please take this girl away. I've got way too much work to do, and she's getting in my way. No, wait. Please bring her back. I won't get to use her on my tax returns this year. What just happened? I need to find Z. She left her off-white Nikes? Wait, what? How did he get in my house? Who are you?
I hear you're looking for your daughter.
Yeah, I am. It's almost tax season.
I can help. But I need you to do one thing for me. Got it. I need you to complete the Hollywood Horror Nights at Universal Studios.
Thank you. I'll go now. Zariah, I'm coming, baby. Come on, come on. Are you kidding me? Even my car won't start? If I get you back, you can have ice cream for breakfast every day. Can I get a ride, please? Thirsty. Oh, so thirsty.
Hi. How are you? Oh, you want my number?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I'll let you burp in public. You can eat pizza every day. Hello, guys. I need to save my daughter. Come on. Okay, all I need to do is make it to Stranger Things. Got it. Okay. Clowns with chainsaws.
What in tarnation is going on here? Where's my dog? Where's my Pooh Bear? I'll tear this thing apart with my bare hands. This thing is fired.
No secret secret.
Mom, I knew it. I tried to tell my mom. That's why I never liked cotton candy. No. I knew humans in the cotton candy. No, hey, Uncle. My witch. What? Really? Are you kidding? What? Oh, hey. Okay, finally, a nice clown. Wow! Oh, no more. Oh my God. Ah, get out of here. Go, Jamaal. Go. Oh, hey, another nice person. Oh, it's a clown. Oh! Oh, did he shoot me? Oh my God! Is it acid? Oh, I think it's just water. Oh God! I can't see. I cannot see. What? No! No! Go! Okay, yeah. Get the police. Get the police. I just need my daughter. That's all I need. Oh. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna hit this way. You're good. More. Delicious. No! Uncle, relax, bro. You're supposed to be helping me. I try to tell this girl, like, oh my God. Oh. Okay, it's cool, bro. Please tell me I'm out of here. I need to go. You're not my uncle. Oh my goodness. Great auntie. Time to go. No. Are you kidding me? No! Huh? What? Oh God. Oh my goodness. This better be worth it. Oh God. Excuse me, bro. No problems. Just pass through. Hey, brother, hey. Whoa, relax, man. Hey, just pass it through. Have you seen the Stranger Things? No, Stranger Things. Okay. No Stranger Things. It's getting kind of dark now. I think I need my night vision. Hey, bro, are you okay? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. This looks like her drawing. Is she? I think she's giving me directions. I'm coming, Zariah. I'm coming. Okay, do you want me to go up a wall? Oh, hey, finally, somebody. Brother, can you help me out? I'm looking for my daughter. Yeah, I'm gonna let you two have fun. Brother, you should run. Wait a minute. Winona? Oh my God, do not tell me you had something to do with taking my daughter. This is not Saks Fifth Avenue, baby. This is my daughter. Unacceptable.
Wait, no.
I don't know you, bro. I'm sorry, but I'm assuming Winona caught you. I need to channel my inner powers, like 11, to stop Winona. Winona, I see you. Unacceptable! Oh my God. Me and no. I got places to be, sir. This is unacceptable. Stop. Not today. I am so mad right now. I remember this place. I was a kid here. My parents brought me here. This is weird. Oh my god, those are the orange jumpsuits my mom made me wear.
There's a family in our driveway.
What is going on? Ah! Is this my house? Matthew, is that my brother? Dad, I'm sorry. I never liked baseball.
I never stopped
Mom?
thinking about you.
Is everything okay? Oh, my sister is always crazy. Mom, help me find Zariah. Okay, good, got it. Yeah, go that way. Bob and Kim? Hey, you guys used to babysit Zariah. Can you, okay. Get out of here. Walk faster. You were supposed to be babysitting her yesterday. Nope. Back up. Mom, did you find her? Oh, I guess not. Okay. Oh my goodness, is this my elementary? Oh. I remember him. Frederick. You're cool, bro. We're cool, bro. Oh my God, I remember my mom came to school and embarrassed me in front of my teacher. Am I that kind of father? Mom! Oh my God. I got to get out of here. Zariah, I think I did it. Zariah. I survived. Please. Hey. What's going on? Where's Zariah? Have you seen her? Wait a minute. I did everything they told me to. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Did I fail? Oh my goodness. Oh, Zariah. I tried. I went through all of the mazes. I tried, Zariah. Zariah? Zariah, is that you? Zariah, I'm over here. Zariah. Can you find me? Oh, come here, baby. I missed you so much. I'll never leave your side. Ever again. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for additional content. And if you enjoyed our videos, please like and comment below.